Hello, dear friends. Today, life coach, motivational speaker V.K. Chaudhry will be giving you some best parenting tips. These days, parenting has become a very important part of our life. We want to give our children wonderful education, wonderful personality, wonderful character. But my dear friends, we need to have some more points in keeping them in wonderful shape. We need to boost our child's self-esteem. And then we have to act as a best parent. For that, we need to keep some points specially. My dear friends, keep things in your perspective and remember that what are your parenting goals. We need to see what we need to do with our children. Don't expect no matter what. We have to give our children the real life. What makes a good parent? It is only your parenting style. You yourself should be a role model. When parents are good, they are having wonderful relationship, they will be giving wonderful role model to their children. And my dear friends, parents should be always positive and firm in their decisions. We should have wonderful heaven, safe heaven for our children as parents. We should talk with our children so that we can help them thinking in positive direction. When we are doing parenting, we see our time of parenting and now present time. Then you see little bit variation which you need, we can make. We have to give more and more attention to them. We need to self-esteem our child's confidence. And we have to set some limits so that they can be free with themselves and with ourselves, with every member. Sometime you might have seen that child's behavior is little bit erratic. Either he is naughty, either he is asking some absurd questions. So you need to talk with him and you have to set the discipline when they will go out, when they will go for play, when they will have screen time and everything. Teach your kids the best time management, and when you are taking care for them, it will be a wonderful thing. Dear friends, you need to have good communication and it should be given proper priority. We need to be flexible and willing to adjust our parenting style. Sometime in 1 month time, children need variation in our behavior also. So we have to work according to that. And we should be able to project our unconditional love. When we give unconditional love, means they should not bargain. Children are very smart. They see what they will have to ask to their father or mother or grandfather, grandmother or any member of the house. They are best observers. So we have to see that how we can give them good things like honesty, self-reliance. They need not to ask everything from you. They need to have self-control. Kindness should be their password. When suppose they are going to school and they see someone walking on the road and having thirst for water, they should be able to give their water bottle. And then cooperation should be the best attitude of theirs. They should be happy, smiling. Cheerfulness should be there on their face. We always need to give good respect to our children. Sometimes we see and feel that child is not to be given respect. These days I have seen that it is much more respect is required for those children. We need to avoid harsh discipline. Sometimes I have seen some parents send their children to washroom. No. Or they ask them to stand outside the gate. It is not good thing, good dealing. Parents have to do something new, and they should not compare between children and children of their family and others' family. Just see that how you can make them better. Education is not life. Sometimes we thrash our children why the marks are less. Marks may be less, but he may be extra intelligent practically. So that's why I say education is not life, but yes, it is part of life. We need not to gift them unnecessary things which may spoil their personality. We have to gift them best character, best personality, best rituals, my dear friends. And we have to see how latest psychology and neuroscience research is giving some shortcut in developing the children. We need to take care for their food, eating habits, sleeping habits, playing habits. Then we can make their mind a growing one. Positivity should be given to them in every case. They should love their elders, touch their feet, and love them from their heart. If you like this video, spread it, my dear friends. This is the need of the time. All the best. See you.